Hey, I'm William. Today I'm going to show you how to replace the drain pump on a Maytag washer. You might need to change out this part if it failed testing or has been damaged. Before we get started, hit those like and subscribe buttons if you want to join our do-it-yourself repair community and get notified each time we post a new video guide. With over 2 million products in stock and the know-how to help you do it yourself, we are AppliancePartsPros.com. Today we'll need channel lock pliers, a 5/16 inch nut driver, and a towel. While you're getting those together, remember to keep safety first. Always turn off and unplug your appliance before you do any work on it to protect yourself from electric shock, which can potentially cause serious injuries.
Don't forget to turn off your water supply and unscrew your hoses from the washer. You might need a towel handy to clean up any unwanted water.
We can tilt the washer to access the internal drain hose. So this can be seen in the best way. I'm going to lay the washer on its back. We're going to use the channel lock pliers to move the retaining ring
Down the internal hose just a bit.
Now we can disconnect the hose from the drain pump.
You may want to have your towel here to catch any unwanted water.
Using the 5/16 inch nut driver, we're removing the drain pump mounting screws. Now we're going to pull the drain pump off. We can take our new drain pump, set it in place, and secure it with the screws we just removed. Now we'll reinstall the internal drain hose and secure it with a clamp.
Don't forget to plug your washer back in, connect the water hoses, and turn your water supply back on.
You made it. Great job, and thanks for joining us today. Make sure to let us know how the repair went in the comments. And if you haven't gotten a replacement drain pump yet, grab your model number and head over to AppliancePartsPros.com to order one. Orders usually arrive in just a few days. Make sure you like this video and subscribe to our channel. We've got lots more troubleshooting and repair videos, and of course, all the parts you need to do it yourself at AppliancePartsPros.com. Thanks for your support, and we'll see you next time.